I've got a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe. A few weeks ago, my mother-in-law drives this car. She lost her keys. We had a new key made, but it got stuck in the ignition. And while it was stuck in the ignition, something was left on that drained the battery. So we ended up having to jump start it 2 or 3 times. We got it to a mechanic who replaced the ignition, and everything seemed to be working fine. I needed to have the emissions testing done. We're in Virginia, where it's done every 2 years. So the car has never had any issues passing emissions. This time I brought it in, and they said it failed because several of the sensors were not ready to be tested.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it's not that it failed, it's just they weren't ready. They weren't being, recognized by the diagnostic link connector.
Right.
So they said, go out, drive it, 40, 50, 60 miles, and bring it back and we'll test it again. Okay, no worries. So I went out, drove it down a highway for like 30 miles, drove around a parking lot, drove it back down the highway for about another 30 miles, brought it back to them. They said, oh, it's still not registering. So I said, well, what is there a magic number? How many miles? And they, well, we're not really sure, but, go drive it again. So I drove it for 2 or 3 days, probably put on another 120 miles on it, brought it back. It failed. Talked to a different mechanic at the same auto shop, and he said, well, usually it's got to go through 2 or 3 cycles, which I took to mean 2 or 3 testings before it recognized. Okay, no worries. Brought it back again. It failed again, and they said, well, we have a workaround. Our mechanic can reset these. I said, okay, great. How much? They said $199. After picking myself up off the floor, I said, okay, go ahead and reset it. Well, what it turns out is the guy just drove it around.
Oh, wow.
He didn't manually reset anything. He just drove it around, which is what I had been doing. So now it's been rejected at least 4 times. It's not, if you will, smoke coming out of the tailpipe. It's being rejected on the catalyst. Well, not rejected. It's not ready for testing on the catalyst, on the evaporative system, and the oxygen sensor.
Oh, wow.
Everything else is ready to be tested.
Okay.
These 3 items, now initially there was like 5 items. And by just driving it around, we got it ready for 2 of the items. But I can't just keep driving it around aimlessly, hoping that I hit a magic number. And so I'm trying to figure out, well, what's going on here? Because I've jump-started it before, like a few years ago when the battery died, so I had to jump-start it, no worries. I'll be honest with you, I don't recall how long after that jump-start we had it emission tested. Just like I said, it's every 2 years. But now at this point, I'm at a loss because the mechanic just, well, keep driving it around. Well, wait a minute, you said you had a fix, and it obviously didn't work. And in looking online, I see other people have had the same issue. So I'm wondering what's my solution? In other words, is there some way that these systems get reset? Do I need a new oxygen sensor? Is that going to take care of the problem? I'm at a loss.
Sure.
I'm getting ready to tell the mechanic, all right, I'm just going to call the Hyundai dealer, bring it into them if they can fix it.
Right. So a couple things to know about this situation. So, this is a very kind of you're in a difficult situation. There is no one particular answer that solves all of these problems, right? I'm sure there's one thing that probably 1 or 2 things that will fix your issue, but the answer is not clear. So unfortunately, we got to look at the big picture. We'll talk about the big picture here and, try some things in order to hopefully get that one thing to start working. I find it odd that, you have 3 readiness monitors that are not running, that are not setting.
Yes.
It's not just one of them. So let me ask you this. Are there any lights on the dash? There's no codes in the computer or anything like that when driving?
Okay, so there's no lights on the dash, and they, in a sense, they're giving me a printout of the codes to tell me what do these codes say. Maybe I should bring it back and ask them what are the codes.
Well,
But,
there might not be any codes.
There's no, pardon my language, idiot lights going off. There's no flashing light that says, this needs to be done.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking online, and somebody else in North Carolina had the same issue with a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe. It was being rejected by the North Carolina emissions.
Mm-hmm.
And somebody asked about turning off ESC mode, whatever that is.
I think it's electronic stability control or service control. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, that's got nothing to do with it. Okay. Yeah, the recommendation and so I'm at the Just Answer Hyundai site, and it's the answer was try driving the car for a week.
Yeah, no, you're right, and that's the thing. I hear you loud and clear, and that's definitely got to be frustrating. But really, that is the answer. Now, what I'm going to do for you, in addition to what they've told you, I'm going to send you some drive cycles that you can try. I don't know, maybe they've already sent you some. I can send you what I have. So really, at the end of the day, you just need to drive the vehicle more. Now, the question is, your question is, well, what is it that's preventing it? And again, the answer is not clear. The computer just either these conditions aren't met perfectly in order for these readiness monitors to run. So we don't know if it's the fuel level. We don't know if it's the temperature outside. We don't know if there's certain parameters. We don't know which one it is because we don't write the software for these computers. And the only thing that the manufacturer gives us is just the drive cycle to basically run, to drive, in hopes that it'll do the trick. So I can send you over what I have, and you can drive these drive cycles, and that might help out.
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you very much.
All right.
I appreciate it.
You bet. You're welcome. Good luck. Okay.